This video covers how to create items for charges you include on invoices or purchase orders, such as shipping, handling, delivery fees, retainers, gift certificates, service charges for late payments or bounced check, and so on. So let's go ahead and add another charge item. Open the items list by clicking Items and Services on the home page. Click Item and then click New. Choose Other Charge as the type. Click in the item name number field and type the name for the item. I'll type shipping, and I will not make it a sub-item. And I'll just click in the description field and type shipping and handling. In the amount or percentage field, you could type a fixed amount, such as 5 for $5, or a percentage. If you are making it a percentage, you have to include the percent sign. So 10 by itself would be $10, 10 with a percentage sign would be 10%. But for shipping, it probably makes sense to leave it blank, since the shipping charges will probably vary. You can fill the shipping amount later on the form. From the tax code menu, choose whether or not this item is taxable. Shipping in general is not taxable, so I'll choose None. From the account menu, choose the income account you use to track the income you receive from this other charge item. In this case, for shipping, I'll choose the Other Income account. This Other Income account is set up to track miscellaneous sources of income. Let's go ahead and click OK to save the item. So depending on your business, you might need to set up several other charge items: service charges, setup fees, late fees, permit fees, and so on. But for now, that's it for other charge items.